all the processes that are involved in an industry like chemistry, mechanic, everything, everything needs a leader. Someone who knows how to do the thing and who knows what to do in an emergency or something like that. But once a lot of people didn't know how to do it, so you need to learn how to be a leader. That's why industrial engineering is the best option for be a leader, for be a manager, president of an enterprise. Man. Something that you don't need to think a lot is how much will you earn at month. You have to think how much people would you like to help, how much industry would you like to make grow up. So nothing is possible without the interception of an industrial engineer. Sometimes you have to do something that you don't know if you will go do it, but suddenly appears someone who needs you to do it. So you just never think about it and let it happen. I prefer to show the people the correct things that I do, the correct things that I act, the correct way that I read my life. I never let somebody else introduce my life without my permission. I always doing as best as I can for be a good people, for be a good leader, because I know that there is a lot of people follow me, and that's why I needed to learn how to be an industrial engineer, because someday I want to be in front of all the people directing my own enterprise. But I know that I need to do a big sacrifice. I need to study a lot, and I need very, very much to learn how to be a good leader, how to create good things, how to be the kind of people who can love and be loved in his work. I mean, all these are all the areas that reach his life. I will never like to have any inconvenience with that, with the people or with my job, for example. I think that God gives me a mission in my life, and that mission is to be a good leader, because some days I will be in front of a big mission that God has for me. So I have to be ready for that big mission, because I know that is something great, that's something else awful. Well, for my family, it was always important that I pick a good career, that I choose a good career, because they think always in the money, always that is important, and they are in the truth, because without money you can't do anything. But I choose my career mostly because I know that there are a lot of leaders that are doing a really, really bad job. That's what our country is like the way that it is right now. That's why every industry is coming down. That's why every enterprise man is broken right now. I think that they are just keeping with the money with them, and they just leave it all of their people like that. And for me, that's not correct. For me, it has to be someone who tell everybody that they can do the correct way without asking for nothing, without the necessity of be taking someone in change of doing a good job. If you love your life, if you love your environment, you have to love your family, your people, your country, your work, everything. Everything comes through with your life.